Well, hello, my honor students. Hope everything's going great because it's going fantastic. This is dedicated to DC. Yes, DC. That's us. Now, I've had several people that have been absent that have been saying, can you review parabolas for us? And I said, sure. So, let's review some. Now, I know we're kind of running out of space. I wonder if it'd be better if I didn't have the book. Maybe it is. So we'll try that for a minute. Now, let's start off by doing a parabola that opens up or down. I know it opens up because this is positive. X is being squared. So my vertex would be, that's right, 0, -4. Good job. And then I already said it opens up. And the axis symmetry is x equals 0. What's another name for that? What's another name? I've said it so many times. The Y-intercept. Oh, I tell you, guys are alive today. So x-intercept, put 0 in for y. Now, you always do that. Mercy. So divide by 4. It's 1 equals x squared. So x equals plus or minus 1. Now, I don't know why. I like to graph as I get. So 0, -4. Doinkers, plus or minus 1. Oh, wait a minute. If you're paying attention, that's our y-intercept also. Oh, wow. So -4. Oh, no. That means we've got to do the ever-popular plug and chug. Now, you don't have to say by graph on the homework, but for a test, hopefully. So let's plug and chuggy here. We know what happens when x is 1. Now, when x is 1, -1, and 0. Now, always put it into the thing being squared. It just makes life so much easier. So let's see what happens when x is 2. So I would have y plus 4 equals 4, 2 squared. So y plus 4 equals 2 squared is 4. 4, 4, 16 when you're multiplied. Subtract 4. So it's the point 212. Oh boy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So right there. So if there's a 0.2 units to the right, there has to be a 0.2 units to the left. Thank you for whoever gave me this little tiny code. Not complaining though, it's not too bad. So here's my graph. Now notice it's skinny because I got this 4 for A, so it's multiplying this thing up fast. Now it's opening up, so it's a minimum, and the minimum value would be -4. It's always the y value for max or min. Now the range, y is greater than or equal to -4, because it starts at -4, it's going up forever, and the domain would be all reals. Let's flip it over, do another one. Now the y is being squared, so this thing is opening left to right. But my vertex is still 4, -3. You go with the x and the y. Yeah, there we go. Now, it's left to right, it's negative, so it'd be L left. And the axis would be y equals -3 because it's opening to the left. It's horizontal. Now, the x-intercept, we still find it the same way. You put 0 in for y. So it'd be x minus 4 equals 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Squared is 9. It'd be -9. So it'd be -5. Now, like I said, I don't know why I like to graph when I have a little bit. So 4. Now do this twice. This is where people tend to make a dumb mistake. Even me. So let's see. -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you don't have to draw this, but if you do, it has to be dashed. There's a 0.3 units up. There has to be a 0.3 units down. Okay. So anyway, sorry about that. Almost fell asleep. Let's find the y-intercepts. Now, we're assuming there's 2 because look at this. It goes twice. So let's put 0 in for x. We have -4 equals the opposite of y plus 3 squared. Take the opposite, 4 equals y plus 3 squared. Square root plus or minus 2 equals y plus 3. By the way, this was optional. I should have said that at the start. But like I said, I had so many people say, hey, could you review my parabola? And I said, hey, it's parabola, you turkey. So let's subtract 3. So y equals negative 3 plus or minus 2. So that'd be negative 1 or negative 5. So it'd be here or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice this is 2 units below it and this is 2 above it. So that's probably right. So now I did have to, I missed the vertex. I did miss this. Mercy. Now, you have to put arrows at the end. I took a little bit off a couple people's tests. That's bad. I am not happy with that. There we go. Because they drew points. No, parabola goes on forever. Now, be very careful. Don't do this. But for some reason, when sometimes people put the accents, they want to curve it. No. It curves and it goes out. So there's no max or mid. So I didn't put that there if you notice. The domain is how far left and right are you going? Well, you're starting at negative 4. Excuse me, you're starting at 4. I said negative 4, I meant 4. And you're going to the left, so x is less or equal to negative, to 4. I keep wanting to say negative. It's not negative. Sorry about that. And the range would be all reals. It's going up and down forever. Now, 2 more problems. Let's put it in proper form and see if we can find the vertex. Go ahead. Well, at y minus 4, you got to factor out the negative 6. So we got to complete the square. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So, but I didn't add 1. I really added negative 6. So you got to add negative 6 to this side. So y minus 10 equals negative 6x minus 1 squared. So the vertex would be 110. And it's opening down, so it'd be a maximum, yes. Although I did not say is it a max or min, but I just thought I'd throw that in there, yes. So this one, you got to factor out a half. Now, for some reason, fractions always throw people. But notice, 1/2 of what is 4? Not 1/2 of 4 is what? So 1/2 of what would be 8? So half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16, but I didn't add 16. I only added 8. So y plus 9 equals 1/2 y plus 4 squared. So the vertex is negative 4, 9, negative 9, negative, oh mercy. That's supposed to be an x, but I am so sloppy. Negative 4, negative 9. Sorry about the mercy. I need to take a nap. I ate too many Girl Scout cookies. Oh well. Goodbye.